Hello, YouTubers. Welcome to Reed Does That. Guess what I am doing today? Yes, I am doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Well, first of all, I don't wear much makeup, but I wear enough. And I don't know if I can do it in 5 minutes, but I thought I was up for the challenge. And while I'm doing the challenge, I'm going to add just some spice to it. As professional as putting on makeup as some. I don't watch tutorials on makeup, so I don't got no one way to put it on. It goes on how I put it on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the timer set. So let me do that. We got the clock set. We're going to have it for 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes. Okay. So we got it set for the 5. You see that? 5 minutes. Okay. All right. And I got everything out here already and rearing to go. So let's see if we can do that. So first, I always, before I start putting on any makeup, I take a little Vaseline and just put it on my face. My face is already clean. This is what I use just for a base of my skin. I love Vaseline. Just regular old Vaseline. I need to arch my eyebrows. I'm going to do a tutorial on how I arch my own eyebrows. And that's another thing I don't do. I don't, oh, this is counting, ain't it? Oops. Let me start it. I'm starting now. So I'm going to rub that in. I forgot to start the start button. So I done rubbed all my Vaseline in. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see. Gosh, when you're under pressure, it's kind of like, oh my God, where do I start? So, let's see. I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer, just a little bit. I don't, like I said, I don't have no one way of putting on makeup. I just put it on. It doesn't have to be real neat. A little concealer around my eyes. I use concealer like all over really. I just, like I said, I'm not a professional at applying makeup because I don't put on I don't put on a lot. I put on just enough to keep me looking kind of natural. My little nose always is oily. So, okay. And then, and this is my cheap way of doing it. Then I take a little powder. A little powder. See, I ain't as professional as y'all young girls. So let me show you how us old chicks sometimes put it on from back in the day when we was going to a house party or finna turn up at a little club or something. We didn't go through all those measures of a lot of makeup, okay? We just wanted to be cute. Get our little I don't wear fake eyelashes because my eyelashes is kind of long already. Okay. Oh, I'm only down to 3 minutes. Okay. Hold on. Let me quit talking. Making my eyeshadow on. Oh, 5 minutes is not enough time. I didn't waste my time talking and doing everything else. Hold on. Woo! I can't believe, I didn't think, okay, I'm done talking, y'all. Okay, let me get this on here. Can y'all see that? Okay, got that. Ooh, I only got 2 minutes. I ain't even got my eyeliner on yet. I'm gonna have to do this again. Okay, hold on. Whoa. Ooh, wee. Oh, this is hard. I didn't think it was going to be this hard. Whew. Oh. Wait a minute. I didn't spoke up too soon about us old chicks. Hold on. Got 2 minutes. 2 minutes exactly. Oh, the line cricket. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. y'all. Ooh. I'm going to show y'all my... Wait a minute. Oh. Oh, 1 minute and 30. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. I'm going to show y'all what's going to happen. What did happen? Oh. Let me see if I fix it. Okay, hold on. I started coughing. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. Oh. 1 minute in. Y'all, this ain't turned out the way I thought it was going to turn out. Oh, I ain't got my eye. Wait. Yeah. 52 seconds. Hold on, let me get my eyelashes. Oh, this is wrong. This is the wrong eyelash stuff. Ooh, child, I jacked this stuff up. 36 seconds. Ooh, 36 seconds. Oh, Lord. Here, hold on. 26, 25. Let me put in my earrings. 22, 19. Woo. Wait a minute, y'all. 16, 15. Oh. Uh-oh. I can't get it in. Ooh. 8. Ooh. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Hey. Five seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So let me show y'all. Hold up. Be quiet, thing. Let me cancel it. Oh, it won't stop. Then I'll talk through it. Hey. Let me show y'all what it is. Look at my eyes. This was fun, Jess. This was fun. Love it. Love it. So let me, I don't know how to stop this thing. Okay. I got it off. I guess it wasn't too bad. Y'all see? Look at this. Look at this. I got eyeliner coming across here. I got eyeliner off. Huh. Can y'all see? Look at this. But see, if I stand back, people won't notice it, will they? They won't even notice that it's jacked. Woo, child. Yeah, that was fun. I'll have to do another one. I'm going to have to get some practice in. I didn't even try this, y'all. I just was like, oh, I can do it in 5 minutes. I'm old school. Us old schools can get this. We got this. Oh, no. So, here I am, my 5-minute makeup. Thank you guys for watching. Redoes that. Bye.